Competitive racing starts are done from starting blocks. The three starts most commonly used for competitive swimming are the grab start, the track start, and the backstroke start. You must be able to safely perform a shallow angle dive from the deck before learning to perform racing starts from the blocks. In competitions, there may be different rules for starts, so check with officials before you participate in an event. The grab start is the simplest start used in competitive swimming for strokes performed on the front. Curl your toes over the front edge of the starting block, with your feet about shoulders width apart. On the command, "Take your mark," grasp the front edge of the starting block with your hands, either inside or outside your feet, whichever feels more comfortable. Look straight down and bend your knees slightly. At the starting signal, pull against the starting block and bend your knees further so your body starts moving forward. Look toward your desired point of entry. Release the block and quickly extend your arms toward the entry point to lead your body's flight. As you release the block, increase your knee bend and push off by driving your feet against the block and forcefully extending your hips, knees, and ankles. Focus your eyes, arms, and hands on the entry point. Just before entering the water, lock your head between your arms and enter smoothly, as if you're going through a hole in the water. Once in the water, angle your hands up to steer your body back toward the surface. Before you begin to slow down, start your kick, followed by your first arm pull. Take a breath after you finish your first full arm stroke. Now watch the grab start at its actual speed. The track start is considered by many to be the fastest start used in competition. Stand with one foot forward and one foot back. Curl the toes of the forward foot over the front edge of the starting block. On the command, "Take your mark," grasp the front edge of the starting block. Look straight down and bend your knees slightly. On the starting signal, pull against the starting block, push with your rear leg, and bend your knees further so your body starts moving forward. Look toward your entry point, release the block, and quickly extend your arms toward the entry point. As you let go of the block, bend your knees even more, then push off by driving your feet against the rock, forcefully extending your hips, knees, and ankles. As your feet leave the block, focus on the entry point. Just before entering the water, lock your head between your arms and enter smoothly. Once in the water, angle your hands up toward the surface. Before you begin to slow down, start your kick, followed by your first arm pull. Take a breath after you finish your first arm cycle. Watch the track start again. To position yourself for the backstroke start, grasp the starting block with both hands and put your feet parallel on the wall, a comfortable distance apart. You can stagger your feet slightly to help maintain a stable position on the wall. Most rules do not allow your toes to curl over the lip of the gutter. When the starter says, "Take your mark," bend your arms and pull your body up slightly and closer to the wall. Keep your back straight. At the starting command, throw your head back and push your arms away from the block and over your head. Push forcefully with your legs as you arch your back and drive your body, hands first, up and out over the water. Tip your head back and move into a streamlined position. Your whole body should enter smoothly through a single point in the water. Once in the water, adjust the angle of your hands for a streamlined glide. Before losing speed, use either a flutter or a dolphin kick. Use your first arm pull to bring yourself to the surface. Begin stroking. Now watch the start again at normal speed.